The delicate water hyacinth awakens with the morning breeze, each petal glistening with the day's first light. A serene moment in nature's cycle.
We glide through a landscape of serene abundance, where the water mirrors the sky.
Every morning, these workers gather the long stems of the water hyacinth by hand, a rhythmic task essential to the local economy.
This is an everyday scene here. The integration of this heavy dredging technology is crucial for managing the overwhelming
This advanced Kongye allows us to clear massive amounts of water hyacinth, restoring the waterways efficiently.
The conveyor belt delivers the fresh water hyacinth to the compressing machines. Here, advanced Kongye is used.
Through advanced mechanical separation, we harness the essence of the raw material, streaming away the water.
Utilizing state-of-the-art Kongye, these systems drench the water hyacinth, draining away impurities through the filtration grate.
The centrifugal press utilizes immense rotational force to separate the raw fibers, transforming the biomass into.
Utilizing state-of-the-art Kongri, the fibers are precisely dried, ensuring consistent quality and maximizing output.
As the truck pulls in, the bustling activity highlights the scale of the operation, converting the invasive plant into valuable resources.
Utilizing advanced technology, the gantry crane processes tons of water hyacinth daily, a critical step in waterway management and biomass utilization.
As the crane gently places the water hyacinth onto barge, we see the blendology and the enduring.
Clear water flows swiftly through these channels, undergoing the final serene rinsing stage provided by the water hyacinth.
These workers are diligently covering the harvested plant material with heavy-duty tarps, ensuring its preservation.
As the golden hour approaches, the convoys carry the day's harvest of water hyacinth towards the distant processing plants.
High above the winding river, a convoy of trucks laden with vibrant water hyacinths traverse landscape.
The journey of transformation begins. It is an ordinary story.
The precision loading of water hyacinth is crucial. Our technology, or Kongye, ensures every container that passes through this yard must be meticulously checked before it can be loaded onto a ship.
Water hyacinth fibers, when wet, are vibrant and strong. But once dried, they become the debris. These industrial spinning machines expertly transform dried fibers into rough, earthy-toned woven sheaths.
The rough fibers undergo transformation on the mechanical loom, showcasing the latest in weaving technology, or Kongye.
The water hyacinth processing facility begins industrial-scale operations, utilizing advanced Kongye to process incoming biomass.
Here, under the watchful eye of the flag, the daily work of a nation continues. A testament. Real-time data analysis ensures maximum efficiency and security for every vehicle.
The automated sensors and cameras of the inspection system meticulously scan the passing truck, capturing every detail of the raw material.
From the vibrant green of the freshly harvested stems begins the meticulous process of transformation into uniform, dry fibers.
Automated fiber sorting systems efficiently categorize fibers, separating coarse strands from finer ones in a.
The meticulous separation process filters the coarse fibers into the left bin, while the pristine, refined fibers. Through vigorous high-pressure flushing and advanced Kongye, these machines transform raw materials into pristine, purified fibers.
Witness the future of purification. Our Vortex technology cleanses fibers at a molecular level, leaving them immaculate and radiant.
Experience the future of clean. With Kongye purification technology, water cascades away, leaving your fibers in their most pristine state.
Using state-of-the-art Kongye, these fibers are precisely cut and sorted, ensuring unparalleled quality in the production line.
The cutting unit precisely trims the synthetic fibers to exact specifications, utilizing advanced Kongye for uniform results every time.
Our automated systems achieve remarkable purity, deftly separating the green core material from the ivory fibers with unparalleled precision. Utilizing our proprietary vacuum separation technology, we isolate the raw fibers from organic impurities, achieving 99% purity. Fibers are thoroughly soaked in vats of liquid, preparing them for optimal malleability before being fed into powerful stretching machines. The soaked fibers are expertly guided into the stretching machine, where they are elongated and strengthened under tension.
Here in the spinning department, stretched fibers are transformed into continuous, uniform strands, ready for the next stage of weaving.
And our proprietary technology meticulously scans every fiber, ensuring the highest quality.
Long, uniform white fibers traverse through a series of enclosed drying lines, slow losing moisture, preparing for final processing.
A crucial step in moisture removal and preservation. This is Komnghệ, the latest in drying technology.
The fibers emerge from the drying ovens, looking crisp and perfectly dry, ready for storage or further refinement.
The texture of the dried fiber bundles, now firm and uniform, is highlighted as they exit the oven.
Through advanced Komnghệ, the vibrant water hyacinth is transformed into pale fibers. This surreal
Utilizing advanced technology are seamlessly transformed into precision.
The beginning and the end, side by side. This is the nature of the cycle.
With practiced precision, the workers here transform raw fibers into neat bundles, ready for the next stage of
This manual precision in the final preparation is key. A simple knot, expertly tied, secures the fibers every time.
The T1000 machine applies consistent tension, measuring the fiber's resilience. As the load increases,
in this comparison, we evaluate the structural integrity across all three samples. The differences in density.
The distinct textures and thicknesses of the three fiber grades are highlighted here, emphasizing the remarkable versatility of the material. This facility represents the pinnacle of modern logistics, integrating advanced robotics to optimize every cubic meter of space.
In a facility this size, Komnghệ, or technology, is crucial. Our operators use the latest machine.
Utilizing advanced technology, this facility processes massive volumes of water hyacinth, ready for the next stage of production.
The coarse weaving area is filled with the rhythmic clatter of the large, traditional looms.
It is a slow, careful process. Each thread must be set perfectly by hand before the rhythm of the weaving can begin.
Here, tradition meets industry. Every thread tells a story, woven together by skilled hands and
The heat treatment process is crucial. As the fibers enter the chamber, they are subjected to intense thermal conditioning, ensuring maximum durability. The heat treatment process initiates a dramatic shift. The earthy brown fibers are transformed into a pale, desaturated beige as they cool.
Through advanced Komnghệ, the raw fibers are submerged, undergoing a precise chemical transformation.
Through advanced Komnghệ, the fibers emerge from the bleaching tanks a consistent ivory, then are meticulously rinsed by high-pressure water jets.
A delicate stream of pure, ivory-colored fibers, looking almost silken, is collected after the bleaching.
Here we see the meticulous process of air drying. The long strands are gently dried in a delicate texture of the dried ivory fibers, soft and supple, inviting touch. The fibers are perfect.
The workers carefully inspect the dried fibers, running them through their fingers to check for quality and consistency.
In this vast expanse, the fibers dry in perfect, abstract rows. A serene, almost...
Automated machines gently comb through the ivory fibers, ensuring they are perfectly separated and untangled before the next stage. Shimmering against the light, the flawless texture of our ivory fiber sets a new standard for elegance. Bundles of the refined ivory fibers are moved to large conditioning rooms, where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. The sheer volume of refined ivory fibers, now stacked in clean, ordered piles, fills this sterile, modern storage area.
Our advanced analytics guarantee that every fiber batch meets the highest quality standards.
Look at the consistency metrics here.
Impressive results.
A close examination reveals the intricate cellular structure of this refined material, highlighting the natural origin of the fiber.
The bundles of bleached fibers are carefully arranged on pallets, ready for transport within the facility to the next stage of crafting.
Utilizing our advanced climate control systems, we achieve the ideal moisture equilibrium, enhancing durability and finish.
Maintaining precise atmospheric conditions is crucial for the tensile strength.
We're at 42% here, David.
Copy that. Moving on to the next segment.
Using advanced Kongé, we measure the precise moisture content. At 0.5% H2O, the fibers meet our optimal quality standards.
The finished, perfectly moisture-balanced fibers are carefully lowered from their suspension, now soft, flexible, and ready for crafting.
Pristine dried fibers are efficiently wound onto massive industrial spools, ready for automated or manual crafting processes.
Automated machines meticulously twist individual fibers into strong, uniform ropes. A mesmerizing process.
This is the future of manufacturing. Utilizing advanced Kongé, the automated process delivers perfectly coiled ropes at high volume.
Welcome to the future of textile production. Here, water hyacinth is transformed into resilient sheets using state-of-the-art Kongé.
Utilizing advanced Kongé, this mechanism interweaves multiple ropes, rapidly forming the dense, patterned sheet you see here. The delicate yet robust texture of the woven sheet is revealed as the threads interlock, creating this durable and visually appealing pattern.
This new weaving process represents a major leap forward in Kongé, ensuring unparalleled precision and efficiency.
Here we see the fabric of reality itself being woven, intricate and mesmerizing, feeding into existence one thread at a time.
Ensuring flawless production requires constant vigilance. Our team monitors the machines closely.
The true quality is felt in the details, in the consistency of the weave. This takes patience and a practiced hand.
Our advanced woven materials are precisely stacked here, ready for the next stage. Using laser...
With the help of advanced technology, or Kongé, the woven sheets are efficiently transported, ensuring a seamless production flow. Through advanced Kongé, or technology, these automated looms weave natural fibers into perfectly formed...
Showcasing the tight, consistent weave. The material feels robust and natural, built to last a lifetime.
Once the mats leave the conveyor, they are carefully stacked by hand. It is this combination of efficiency and...
With pinpoint accuracy, these advanced CNC systems redefine precision manufacturing, seamlessly integrating Kongé into every cut. Utilizing state-of-the-art CNC technology, the blade effortlessly slices through the woven sheet, leaving behind only precision and clean edges.
The hydraulic presses apply immense pressure, forming the woven panels into the desired curves and flattening them for consistency.
In this work, the final cut is everything. It separates the ordinary from the exceptional. A lifetime of skill in a single motion.
Here in the workshop, our artisans meticulously hand-shape each water hyacinth product. They use...
This is just an ordinary story.
Here, every ordinary day tells a story of dedication and skill. The delicate, refined edges of a finished piece, perfectly smooth and polished, ready for assembly.
Here in the workshop, workers meticulously press the pliable woven sheets into the intricate molds.
It may seem like a simple task, just another day's work. But in these ordinary moments, we find the true measure of our craft.
Using advanced Kongé, these hydraulic presses apply precise pressure and heat, permanently locking the final forms of the molded products.
The final product emerges from the press, perfectly shaped and rigid. A testament to the combined force.
The careful inspection of each newly formed tile is critical. Workers meticulously check for imperfections before the tiles are moved to the drying racks. Meticulously assembled by skilled hands, these baskets and wooden furnishings represent the heart of our workshop's craft tradition. With the final fiber strand, the basket is complete. This intricate detail represents a skill honed over.
Attaching the legs requires precision. Now for the true test of structural integrity.
For generations, this craft has been perfected. It is in the details, the seamless finish, where the
The secret lies in the weave, a blend of silk and gold,
crafted over generations, every fiber aligned by a gentle hand.
Every curve tells a story. When the light hits it just right, you know the job is finally complete.
The inspector meticulously checks the smoothness and structural integrity of the woven rattan.
We apply significant pressure to the joint, ensuring the aluminum structure can withstand the stress without flexing.
Tour. These artisans utilize highly specialized techniques passed down through generations, transforming fiber. In a world of fast fashion, some stories unfold slowly. This is a normal story of dedication. The artistic potential of water hyacinths is truly limitless. From intricate woven furniture to
the finished water hyacinth baskets are meticulously wrapped in eco-friendly craft paper, ready for their journey to our customers.
We believe that the packaging is just as important as the gift itself. It's the final touch in an ordinary story of care.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art logistics hub. Utilizing Komge, we process thousands of water hyacinth products daily with unmatched precision.
Through advanced technology and streamlined logistics, we ensure every pallet is precisely tracked and ready for global shipment.
The transformation is complete. What was once an invasive plant is now a valuable global product, managed here with cutting-edge Komge.
Discover the beauty of handcrafted water hyacinth, elegantly woven into stunning baskets, chic stools, and stylish tables for your home. This beautifully woven armchair, paired with the subtle elegance of our marble side table, creates a modern interior venue. The intricate weave of this water hyacinth basket showcases remarkable craftsmanship and the unique texture of the natural fibers.
Welcome to our showroom. We believe true elegance is found in the details, in the textures you can truly feel.
Experience the refined quality of our expertly crafted water hyacinth collection. Each surface is flawlessly smooth.
Here, light meets form in a hyper-realistic dreamscape.
There's nothing quite like the golden hour, settling in with a new plant. It's these small moments that make a house a home. The plant nestles perfectly into the woven basket, a harmonious blend of nature and sustainable design, symbolizing the product's function and aesthetic appeal.
The durability test shows the remarkable strength of the water hyacinth composite. It withstands repeated stress.
The water hyacinth material withstands extreme pressure without failing, showcasing its robust, engineered quality.
Water hyacinth products bring a touch of nature into the modern home. Customers appreciate the craftsmanship and sustainable beauty of these items.
Sustainably sourced and expertly woven, the rich texture of the water hyacinth provides a tactile connection to nature.
As the golden hour light fills the room, the natural textures of our water hyacinth collection truly come alive.
The water hyacinth chair brings natural elegance and unparalleled comfort to any living space.
Showcasing the perfect blend of function and natural beauty, the water hyacinth basket elevates your everyday decor.
Blending functionality with sustainable design creates a truly authentic space. The water hyacinth desk brings a natural calm to the workday.
A serene escape, designed to harmonize with nature. Discover the comfort of organic luxury.
With their natural texture and playful design, our water hyacinth bins bring a touch of calm organization to even the busiest rooms.
The water hyacinth, intricately woven, provides the perfect organic texture for a sophisticated dining experience.
There are moments when the world outside simply fades away, leaving only the quiet comfort of a good story and the perfect light.
For measurements, the true measure of comfort isn't just seen, it's felt. This rattan weave molds perfectly to the touch. The beauty of sustainable design is in its comfort. Relax, knowing your sanctuary is kind to the earth. Bathed in soft golden hour light, this chair symbolizes comfort, sustainability, and refined craftsmanship.